Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and payment tied to the subscription, because if you access the wrong profile, you waste time. Once you have the email and last 4 digits of the card, log into the merchant site or mobile app and go straight to account or subscriptions. Do not search general help first. If you cannot log in, use the password reset flow immediately, because access is required to change billing and stop future charges. You now locate the active plan under Subscriptions, Billing, or Payments and choose Cancel, Pause, or Downgrade depending on your goal. Cancel stops renewals while Pause may keep benefits short-term. Follow each on-screen confirmation step all the way to the final button, because partial clicks often leave the subscription active. Once the system shows a confirmation number, take a screenshot and save the confirmation email. These records are how you dispute any future incorrect charges. You finish by removing saved cards or switching payment methods to prevent accidental recharges. Make sure to log out and clear app data if you used a shared device. Then monitor your bank or card statement for pending or recent charges for at least one billing cycle, because some merchants process refunds slowly. If the subscription continues, contact the merchant with your confirmation ID. Then file a bank dispute or ask your card issuer to block the merchant as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.